Yo, people, what is going on, man? It's been a long ass time. Why's the camera inverted? Right, that's kind of crazy. Okay. Does this even work? This chat thing? I'm actually not sure. What is this? It's been so long, I forgot how OBS works. What's this black thing up there, bro? Alright, anyways. Doing some more C++ today. Forgot to say. Forgot to say. Oh, I'm streaming at 1440p. What? Yo, people, what is... Uh-oh. That's not good. We do not want 1440p. That's gonna destroy my internet. Anyways. Okay. Right. How does one program on Windows? You have a nice stream and evening. Thank you very much, buddy. You too. Zigsu, what you up to? You doing any programming yourself? Or you just chilling? Cookie clicker. You have to do, yeah, good. Some PHP. Oh. Bro, my PHP. I got some bloody trauma with PHP, man. Are you doing that willingly? Because, man, if you're like willingly going through PHP, I applaud you. I could not do that again. I did a full year of PHP last year, and wow, was it dead? You don't use it apart from in XAMPP. You got an internship, nice. With who? If you don't mind you saying. Whole web dev is kind of boring. Yeah, some people think it's good. I prefer backend. It's some startup in hometown. All right. Are you new here, by the way? I don't think I've ever seen you before. Sixu. I need to see what I did last stream. It was many weeks ago, because I completely forgot what I did. Okay, well that was on the laptop. I'm on the PC now. I was making Snake. I think I finished it though. Did I even upload it? I'm not sure if I uploaded it to GitHub. You are not a newbie per se. I meant to the channel. Are you new to the channel? Not to programming, just here. Okay. Yeah, man, as well. You've been here before. Okay, cool. Well, thank you for coming back, bro. I appreciate it. So I really hope I put it up in a repo. Building system state. Oh, I did, but did I finish it? Oh no, oh, I did it on Linux. I did it on Linux. No, actually, I've got WSL. It's fine. It's fine. I don't have LN curses. I'm not really sure what to do. What to code. I'm gonna check out my C++ resources to see if anything will inspire me. I did a YouTube video downloading video once. It did well, like it got 1,400 views, relatively well for my channel size. But it got taken down. It got taken down because it affected the guidelines of YouTube for some reason. When you made C++ project, you made sure it would compile with Windows and Linux. That's smart of you. Very smart. Anti-stress game. That's just more Raylib crap. I'm not sure if I want to do more Raylib. I've done so much Raylib in the past years. It's actually boring me. I wish I could create Raylib from scratch. Oh, I've got an idea. I'm gonna recreate a vector from scratch. Yeah, let's do that. Bro, why piss off? Why did I close the editor? Alright, create new project. Da. Right. Go. I have started to make a vector before, but I've never done more than like the first two functionalities. Seems simple at first, yeah. It's not though. Custom, my custom. That's too long. Gabe's vector. Yes, cool. Vector in C++. Did you do C++ yourself, Zigzoo? Or just PHP for now? Okay, we'll do main. And we'll need the class. We'll do vector blät. And that's gonna make a header and a thingy majiggy. You've been doing it for a year, and now you're doing Python again for personal projects. That's sick. That's sick. Python's always fun to do. You don't have to worry about bytes. Just get down, finishing your project quickly as possible. Hello, Spiffy. I remember you, Spiffy. You came in a previous stream. You know who you remind me of, Spiffy? There's another YouTuber called, I think it's Spifey. Yeah, him. Yeah. You got a very similar name. You implement a vector from scratch. I'm about to start to now. I've never done it fully. I've only done like the first two functionalities, like a copy and move constructor, something like that. Python is not force types, so you can pass some random variables into other things. Yeah. Facts. Okay. So let's see. I'm just gonna ask quickly, what type, what functionality does a vector have under the hood? I hope it does not give me the answer. There's dynamic array, we know that. Gonna make a constructor, destructor, copy assignment, move. Okay, we've got insert, pushback. Okay. So here we'll have we'll take nothing at first. We need we need to make like a size, some pointer to track position, and something else. Legoland language. Oh, but this is gonna enter into template territory. I think I'll just start off with int, and then because I have no clue how templates work still. So, and then I'm not gonna enter territory. But you know what I will do? I'll put some music on in the stream. See how? Hello, mate. Hello, buddy. What's going on? Sandily. Got the C++ slang there going on. Wait, hold up. Would anyone like to recommend some music for the stream? Because the music I listen to for you guys, for you programming chill people. I'm a really hyper person, and I need to calm myself down for these streams. You don't get it. No one likes reggae. No one likes drum and bass. They don't fit anyway. Let's try this one. £5 when I'm gonna get copyright striked. By the way, if anyone gets the reference to this song, you'll get a high five through the screen from me. Hello, Max. I didn't see you there. We want aura points. Let's do that. Is that loud? Yeah, it's a bit too loud. I'm already copyright striked, whatever. We want... Wait. Hold the hell up. I don't think it returns anything. We need a subscript operator, like... Okay. And the subscript thing, so boom. Is that how it works? No. Function definition. Yeah, I'm creating the definition, you melon. Operator. What are you gonna do today? Vector, yeah. Hello, Afnode, what's up, man? Using namespace std. You will not find me dead using the namespace std, brother. Operator, subscript operator. C++ overload. Oh, it's because I didn't do this. I need to do the const thingy majiggy. So, right, let's do that. Const vector boom. And what else? I need a copy instruct. Guys, do not listen to what I'm saying. I'm talking absolute bollocks. Hold up. That's fine, so actually. Copy constructor C++. The amount of times I searched this up and I just completely forgot it is insane. Fonk. I didn't read that message. We can't play Fonk, bro. I'm gonna get you know, destroyed if I do that. Copy constructor, yeah. This isn't shallow copying. This is another type of copying. I forgot the name of. Member-wise copying, I think it's called. If I'm wrong, someone correct me. The default copy constructor performs members. Oh, so I was completely opposite. The default copy constructor is member-wise copy. If you make your own one, it's called something else. That's how you do it. Copy constructor. Okay. We definitely need to avoid shallow copying in the vector. Yeah, we need the deep copy. Yeah, we gotta do that. So we'll go here. Okay. We'll go there. Const. Okay. Let me just start off with this. Oh, bro. I gotta copy. Hold up. Definition. Redeclare. I'll redeclare your ass, boy. Right, we'll go. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I bet I'm not doing this most efficient way, but it's how I'm doing it. Okay, here. Well, we need some sort of number, so we'll do num. No. Well, are they gonna pass in an array or just a number? Hello, Abhishek. What you want to build with C++? I'm making a vector, my brother. Well, I'm not sure what argument to put in the constructor. Vector. My vec. We'll start off. You mean any project? I've answered this question so many times, I forget the answer myself. I just want to make software, back-end stuff. Arg could just be the size. You're doing a C++ live stream as well. Are you promoting yourself in my chat, my friend? If you are, please do not do that. It's pretty sus. 2 arguments, size, and what it's filled with. But in a normal vector, we don't put size in. That's done automatically. Okay. We'll do like the default initialization thing. So that is, hold up. We need to make some member variables. Okay. Can you not make an int array? Guys, what the hell is going on? Vector type. Yeah, I'm not gonna handle templates. Templates are too difficult currently in my beginner position. You're not promoting, okay, good. Okay, what was I gonna search up? Int array. I literally did. Oh, we want to size. Oh. Oh, bruv, you're pissing me off. We are so back. Yeah, that's what you think, buddy. We're back when we're back, yeah. Array needs a size. Yeah, but what's the Ross class size? Can I just write that? That's gonna give me an error. Yeah. Am I actually so bad I can't even make an array? Have you building games? I'm not a game dev anymore. I used to be. How to She did that. What? What? Guys, I'm trying to make an array, man. What you need here is a pointer, otherwise you're gonna store the element. Oh, that's what I was forgetting, a bloody pointer. No autosave. What we're doing, we're making a vector. Yeah, the pointer. But I wanted to do this in the constructor. I don't want to initialize it as a member like default. Do num. Ah, that's it. Okay. So num. Wait. Array. Okay. So why are you complaining? Okay, cool. And I got the size. Size. I'll just name it S. Okay. In the copy constructor, we did the exact same crap. Array is new int array, and the size is hold up, v v dot size, and then the size is v dot size, and I'll get onto that later. What's the playlist? You know, many people ask that, to be fair. It's this cow. It's a cow, man. If you make us come in, please do not invite Mika to the stream. Please don't do that. Oh my days. Why? Why invite this guy, man? He just cooked the whole stream now. Yeah, so this video has no title, so good luck searching for it if you want to find this song. I have no idea how you're gonna find this song, but yeah. God damn it. Imagine watching you instead of the AMD keynote. I don't even know what the AMD keynote is. Okay, so in the constructor again, you'll find it by YouTube link in the stream. Is it in the stream? Where is Linux? In your ass. My Arch Linux drive on the other SSD is still corrupted, so I'm just gonna find a different solution to it. That wasn't tough, bro. Just go bald. What? This guy. Look, this is why this guy needs to get banned. Is it a stack? What are you talking about? What, the vector? That's gonna be on the heap. But I don't know what the question was about. Okay, destructor. This is easy. This is just gonna be delete, and then array, and then size will be automatically deleted. CCL created a new vector. Oh yeah. Vector, oh yeah. Hopefully this works. So it's obviously red, right? There's a chance it won't work, but we'll see. So why ain't it not working? Oh, I need a size variable. Fuck. Right, we'll try this. Why is it not working? Inaccessible. Inaccessible. I'm gonna make your head inaccessible in a sec, mate. Literally, oh wait, hold up. I forgot we were in C++. Okay, let's try this again. But I haven't coded in so long, man. Just leave me alone. Hashtag include good luck have fun .h. So what's the problem then, eh? That's gonna be annoying. Okay, seriously, what's going on? I included the I included IOStream. This thing must return a value. No, it doesn't. Okay, what? I've created a new vector. Finally. Can you even print a vector? No, you gotta loop for it. Push back, that takes in. I'm not gonna do insert. Actually, you know what, I will. But that's for later. This is why I hate Visual Studio. It's talking utter waffle. You remind me of 15-year-old you. How old are you? Are you uncle or something? Insert. What do you mean there's no member? They're literally. You're 19 this month. This guy says just use vector. That's the whole point of this stream, to make my own one. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Holy unk. Originally, you cannot talk. You cannot talk. Wanna make STO from scratch? No. Not the whole thing. Just the bits that are interesting to me. Is it still gonna work? Chat on top, chat sombrero. Oh, that's true, that's true, that's true. I put it on live. Wait, no. It was on live chat. It was always on live chat. Gotta study time complexity. I gotta study a lot of things, mate. I'm just a beginner. Approximately everything you're gonna say, I need to study. That's how studying works, innit? Okay, what's next? You can see it switched to JetBrains IDE. No, I don't see that one. No, I know what to do. Okay. The copy constructor is done as well. Maybe. Let's see if this works. Vector second vec equals. Okay, apparently this works. Apparently this works. But it didn't create it. Wait. Created a second. Yeah. Let's try this one out. So that only happens when you use the copy constructor. Yep. We have another C lover. Having 4 years C, C++, and the fun fact, going deep to C++ will make you release. Your release going to C is the best choice. You made a physics engine. Well done, you. That's very impressive. Okay. It never gets deleted. Although I'll test it out to see if it does. Deleted. Deleted. Oh, it does it for both of them. Good. I was like you, don't worry, it takes time, just be curious and disciplined. Yes, sir. Yes, brava. Okay. So these 3 are finished. I think. No, it's definitely not. No, it's not. I didn't do anything with that. I'm still performing a member-wise copy. I need to do like completely new thing. Size. Why does it have to be const? And it is const anyway. Expression must have it is a constant value. Okay, that's weird. I highly doubt that I need to make size a const. You can't assign an array with a variable. Oh, wait a sec. It's supposed to be a pointer. And I gotta fill this one up. So 4. Temp at position I equals v at position I. That's not gonna work because I didn't do the subscript operator yet. So it should still work. Okay, after that is temp is reassigned. Although, why am I doing this? Temp. No. Delete. Yo, chicks. What's good, B? You can't just make a vector by spamming relog. I've made many things, bro. If you just check out the channel, you can see I've made games all by myself, like Blackjack, Snake, and all of it's on the GitHub. I just took a long break from C++. I need to warm my brain up. How are you, Query C? What did you get on your baccalaureate? Did you get a 10 or a 9? It's got to be one of them. Your head hurts so bad. You'll get over it. You wish you had... Oh, wait. Sorry, I was confusing you with someone else. Yeah, you haven't done your back yet. Yeah, you're doing your driving test, yeah. Man. Speaking of driving test, I failed it. I did my driving test here 3 weeks ago. Was it 3 weeks ago? Yeah, 13 days ago. I did it here. My man, I failed the driving test with 10 points. That's false. It was a bit more. It's because I failed on the parallel park, and then what was it? There was something else minor. The bloody parallel park, man, it got my ass. It got my ass. What can I say? You don't have a driving license? Who you talking to, Original? If you're talking to me, then I do have a driving license already, but you'll get it when it's time. No need to rush things, yeah. I mean, I needed it now because I'm going to university this September. I got to do the subscript operator. I'm just gonna have to come back to Romania in a few months, like my first half term of university. You didn't need to parallel park for mine, just a 3 point. Fucking man, fuck you, man. You got the easiest one. Yeah, 20-minute long test. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it is in Romania as well. But man, I'm really good at any kind of backwards parking, apart from parallel. I always get it first try, like backwards reverse bay parking at any single angle. It's the parallel park, man. It's goddamn it. The worst part is he made me do it twice. So after the first time I failed, that's fine. It's only 5 points on the license, like as a minor. The second time, the guy made me do it twice, and I lost 10 points because of that. Motherfucker, bro. That police officer. Holy vibe coder. Yeah, buddy. Well, your vibe code is over here. He drove over a bike path. Okay, he doesn't need a license then. Just take the bus pass, bro. What was I searching up? Okay. Operator. Overload. See the Stack Overflow thing? I don't know what this black thing is on the top right of my screen. Zori, it was a joke, man. Yeah, in the entirety of Europe, we always every country in Europe, man, they got the theory and the practical. I passed the theory first time. It was so easy. I passed it first time on the motorcycle test and on the car test. It's really not a problem. I don't get how people failed that. It's just on the road. I don't like making other people wait, so then I rush things. That's why I rush. I don't like making other people do that. You do leak code? Yeah, I've done many streams on Code Forces. Leak code, I was never good at leak code. It's too hard for me. But I used to spam out Code Forces. I think I privated some of them because I got copyright striked. Somewhere here though. We're gonna find it. Here it's Code Forces, Animate Hero Code Forces, and there's many more, probably privated. So, we're using templates. Let's try this guy. Const qualification on the object you call it on. That did not help at all. Let's go. Here's CPP reference, the hardest website in the world to read. Let's see. Dude, what the hell? LHS. Oh, I forgot what these words mean. Is that like L values and R values? You almost failed a theory test since one of the questions was about what I would do if the sun melted the asphalt. The hell kind of theory test you got there, bro? What? Now we've got real questions. I don't even remember the questions. The minute I passed the test and I exited the police officer's office, I deleted the app off my phone. So I mentally deleted it as well, so I forgot all the questions. Now you're good and your channel's peak, not gonna lie. Wanna start one but don't know where to start, keep going. Alright, well thanks for saying that, mate. Yeah, I'm sure you'd have fun creating a channel. I would recommend it. There's really no negatives to having a channel. I mean, if you wanna upload consistently, you can, and you'll definitely get rewarded for that. If you don't want to, there's no downside. No one's gonna tell you off. You just gotta step one time out your comfort zone to post that first video, and then just gotta be consistent with that. Improve every single time. Same game. You should have a Discord link over the webcam again. Yeah, it's in the description. It's in the description. But I can put the text up again. I'm gonna lose viewers by this time. But whatever. Discord. If people can't wait a minute, then it's fine. That color is awful. Let's do like some yellow color to stimulate all of your dopamine receptors. How about that? I need to move the chat. You guys are taking up all the bloody space. Okay. Yellow. Bro, people are gonna complain anyway. Listen, I know it looks ugly, but I need to stimulate people. You know what I mean? I'll put Subway Surfers in the corner again if that makes you happy. I did that like 5 streams ago. 500 streams ago, and people liked it. Where's the Subway Surfer? Yeah. Gotta mute my phone. Okay. Can we actually start coding, please? You're making a game right now for GMTK 2026 Jam. If you know it. GMTK. I don't know what that is. Sounds good. Sounds cool. Well, good luck with that, getting first place. Well, this didn't help. They did literally every operator in the book, apart from the square brackets one. Really? What the hell is this? Oh, it's the return type, maybe. Subscript operator. Subscript operator, C++. Uma Corner, is that like anime? I don't know your anime kinks, mate. cpp.com is always a good website. Considering the following int list class, I'm gonna consider nothing, mate. Here it is. Oh, so we need to return a reference. So we're going to return a reference for the subscript operator. What was that? Why is this guy brain rotted, man? This is me and Mika's idea for a dopamine maxing stream. Well, you can't even see my hair, so I'm in the way. They got Anime Corner, Subway Surfers, my bald head. Some guy called me Daddy Gabe, what the fuck? And then we got some Python. I'm joking. We love Python. That's so sick. Yo, mind if I share something I've been building? Need some feedback? Yeah, go on, mate. You can share it. Sigma on the wall. Who's the skibbiest of them all? Obviously, we need an index. That makes sense. Why am I taking a reference to it? What the hell am I thinking? This kid just got an index, and I've got a const reference to my own self, to myself. Index. They don't have something called memory. Yeah. In that so-called language. Okay, isn't it just return array at position index? Isn't it just that simple? Right, and then we'll try this. Why are you red? I is an integer. I'm gonna run it anyway, because we know the syntax highlighting is awful. Oh, it failed. Trying to match the argument list, your mum, const int. Okay. What? Const vector int. What's blood on about? Is this even... I need to see if this is visible on the stream. Hold up. It is, okay. Edain, Bat, you're gonna share your project. This still isn't working. I can't increase the size. Oh, please. How do I zoom in? STD print better than STD out. That's period. That's period poo. Okay. No operator subscript matches these operands. Yeah, it definitely does, mate. It's too kawaii. I haven't reached that level of enlightenment yet to use STD print. I'm down here with the scum of the earth. Me and the other beginners. I think it's because V is const and operator subscript is a non-const member function. So, should I not make it const? Okay, it seems you're right about that, but it needs to be const for the copy constructor stuff. Or maybe we'll do V at position V dot no V dot array at position I. Maybe that will fix it. No way, I actually fixed it. It kind of makes sense. V dot array. That should work. It might work. Let's see. Okay, we've got no errors. Okay, let's try printing one. And in fact, let's do a range. So for int I is less than 2, 5. Oh. Are they gonna be 0 initialized? Each element in the int array? I hope they are. Because otherwise that's bad. What's the program intend to do? We're just creating a vector. We're just creating a vector. Nothing more than that. My vec size. Hold up. I'm gonna crash out in a sec. So let's see. Size is an integer. I'm returning integer here. Size is an integer. Why can't? Unless it's confusing itself with the name of the function. It is, yeah. It is. It is. Oh well, okay. Okay, there's another way. I'll just do this, like bloody Hungarian notation. Even though it's kind of a war going on between us and Romanians and Hungarians. They want their Transylvania back. You're not gonna get it back, buddy. You are not gonna get it back. Oh, that's gonna take forever. I'm not doing that. What do I do? How the hell do I return size? Maybe it's with a capital. Should I do it with a capital? What? What do you mean it's undefined? What are you talking about? Oh, wait. Okay, it's literally defined. It's literally here. What are you talking about? Man. This music is counteracting my angriness. Let's go here. I plus plus I. And we'll print out everything. I'm just expecting it to be 1 0 0 0 0. Yeah. Okay. Let's all pray. My friend, how is size undefined? It's literally there. It's literally there. It's there. It's right there, man. Oh, you gotta specify the class. Well done, Query C. Well bloody done. You saved the day. You have saved the day. So that's not a pointer. It's not a point. That it's junk value, but why is it junk value? I have 0 initialized it. Oh. I know why. I know why. It's because I didn't do anything in the constructor to begin with. So we'll do for int I is less than size plus plus I, and then we'll do array at position I equals num. This might actually work. This might actually work. Hey, it worked. And it default initialized all of them to the first number you give it. So that is actually what I wanted it to do. But I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be in reality. Created new vector. Oh yeah. Guys, what are you guys waffling on about? These right and left chevrons. You know what? I might become the next Steve Gates at this point. is the coffee. Yo, this is tea. This is chamomile tea. W. Steve Gates. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Okay. What else really is to do? Pushback and insert. Which one would be easier? Insert would use the subscript operator, so would this one. They're both the same crap. Let's see. What's the difference between insert and pushback? Sequence containers. Where the element is placed. You know what? I'm gonna do a better one. I'm gonna do replace. It sounds better. Void replace. So we're gonna take in index, and then int value. So array at position index equals value. Easy blend. Now my vec dot replace. Although can't I just do this? my replace function is completely invalid. It's completely useless. Let's pretend that never happened. So I forgot you could just do this. I thought the array was private, but it's fine. Pushback. That would definitely take that. But that means I need to put all of the other values in an increased order. That means I need to create a new integer array. That's actually hard. That actually takes a lot. I'm gonna do this one first. This is just gonna take a value. I have a feeling it's gonna be simpler because it's always at the end of the list. Okay, so they're gonna give the value. We need to put it at the end. So I'm guessing we need to create a new integer array and add 1 to the size, and then on the last value put this one in it. It's my thought process. So I don't need to do that. I'll do temp, int temp again. Size +1. Oh, wait, I made the same mistake again. It's the int temp equals new int size +1. The new value, to give space for new value. And I will repopulate this. Do you have a capacity member? Yeah, size. For int I is less than size +1, plus I. Temp a position. No. I'll just do size, and then this one I'll do at the end of it. There's going to be 1 space remaining, so I'll do temp position size plus 1 equals value. Hopefully that's not going to be an integer overflow error. So do I equals array position I. What's going on here? So if by buffer overrun while writing to temp, I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. If you have both size and capacity members, you can reduce allocations. I thought size and capacity were the same thing. They're just synonyms. Right? Temp I equals array I. The Strum Fighter. Wow. What are you wowing about? I'm wowing about the fact it's so hot in this room. It's been freezing all day, and now all of a sudden it's boiling. Right when I'm at the computer. So we start at 0, we go to the end of the list. Size -1. You look pretty cool, not gonna lie. Pretty cool in what sense? I look pretty cool at not knowing how to make a vector. Amazing. I've allocated temp an additional 4 bytes for a new integer, and it's still giving me this error. And I don't know where it's getting 12 bytes from. Like, where? You're pulling it out of where, brother? And then we'll do delete array equals temp, and should be it. Do you use Claude by Anthropic? No. Primarily because I cannot afford it. It would guide you well. I bet it would. My chat bullies me if I use AI, by the way. So we can't really talk about that here. Okay, let's try pushback. So do my vec.pushback. Let's say 2. So it should print 1 1 1 1 1 2. Let's see. I officially corrupted my computer. What is going on here? Heap corruption detected after normal block 163. Hold the hell up. I've never had this error before. Heap corruption. What, am I a hacker or something now? It's corrupted. Okay, I can't close the app anymore. Am I cooked? Am I cooked? No, it's fine. Oof. Luckily we have a kernel that saved my ass. You use the free version, it guides you very well, and also you use it with a script. Fair enough. If you wanna... Could you join the Discord, right, and explain how to do that in the... I don't even have an AI channel. Could you explain it in general? Because I'm sure a lot of people would want to learn how to do that. I actually did not know there was a free Claude version. A good one at that. Because everyone's saying how they're spending like 1 billion credits a month. Right. That's not normal. How are you spending that many credits? Let's read the error I got again. I have no idea what it means. Heap corruption detected. Let me search this up. Heap corruption detected. After normal block 163 CRT detected that the application wrote to memory after the end of the heap buffer. That was some awful writing. It means your buffer overflow bug. Yeah. It were allocated a specific amount of memory, but then wrote data past. How? When you free or delete, notice that the... Oh, I know what the problem is. I didn't reassign size. Size equals size plus 1. That should really fix it. And then I won't need to do this. I'll just do size. You know what? That probably did fuck all. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We've got a new error this time. I've never seen that one. This new number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we've got a number printing, which didn't happen last time. Plus 1. But the size of temp is size minus 1. So how on earth am I doing a buffer overrun? Let's get this straight. Array, member variable, remember, is size. Temp is size plus 1. And then we're deleting array and reassigning it to temp. Finally, Zwixo. Oh, hello, I remember you. Just experiment, make some hypotheses. You don't need a paid version though. I use like 4 AI chatbots or even more to keep my usage alive. I probably just copy and paste the memory though. How you doing, man? I'm doing good. I'm doing good myself. I'm back in England finally. I mean, I haven't programmed in a very long time, so my brain's very dusty. I would only really get back to my normal speed maybe in tomorrow's stream. How are you though, Zwixo? You been doing any projects? Let's click on this, maybe it'll help. You're fine? Great to hear. You're writing a simple code to read systemized data from how to solve my case. What if the file contains more than num items? The warning indicates that the writable extent of the specified buffer might be smaller than the index used to write to it. Well, yeah. If the index is smaller than the actual array size, that's completely fine. Why is that a problem? That's within the bounds of the array. I'm still working on the math package for GS. Sick. Keep going. I need to go get some water. Stay here for 1 minute. I'm just gonna get some water. BRB. Hello, people. You want to hear some interesting news? My mic's still on, good. I just opened the door and a wave of farts just hit my face. I don't know why. I think I'm nose blind. So, A max, the race writes one element. Oh, Elfart. But why? Come on, man. I've never seen this error before. Okay, let's try this. Let us commence forth. Another heap corruption. Ah. Yeah. That's not gonna help though. That's just a shorthand. What's the actual problem? Damn it. I just don't get what the problem is. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 elements. Buffer overrun. I'm not writing to them. I'm reading. I'm reading, man. Breakpoint. Nah, we don't use debuggers over here. We use our minds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 ints being printed out. Good. We debug with our minds. Size -1. Potentially. Might fix it. No way. It actually fixed it. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That did not fix it. What the hell? Where's my extra value? Okay, we are not getting any errors at this point. That's good. We can do that. Stop that. Uncomment this. Okay, let's see if it works. It works. It works. It works. The number 2 is added. Oh. Sick. Sick. Okay. So we got a lot of stuff done, to be honest. And insert is going to be a bit difficult as well. It's going to be a bit difficult. So I'm going to move everything up 1. It might not be that hard though. I'm expecting it to be the same. We still got to do size ++. Basically the same crap. Let me just change something else. So if index equals I, then we'll do temp I equals value else no, that's gonna get tricky. We've inserted it, but now we need to the value that used to be there, we need to carry that somewhere. Temp val equal int temp val equals temp val equals array at position I and we need to keep this, so we need to use this for later. I can't lie, I completely forgot what I was doing. Kind of zoned out. So we got the value that we need to insert in because it's kind of forgotten. Let's just test out first, see what happens. Okay. My vec dot insert 0 and 9. So the first value should be 9 and the rest should be 1. Okay. But why is the last one 9? What? So there's 6 elements in the array. We've inserted to the correct place, but the last element doesn't have anything because we didn't move all the other elements up. That's the actual hard bit in the insert function. It's really the only hard bit. I'm gonna change the song. Is that audible still? Yeah. Okay. How is it coming together? Welcome back, Sigtal. We've got a lot of progress done. Got a lot of progress. We got a normal constructor, copy constructor, pushback, insert. I'm working on insert now. We can print everything properly because I put in the subscript operator overload incorrectly. I'm just gonna work on this. Loud as hell. We gotta work on insert. It's getting hard. So once you reach the index for where you want to insert the new element, all of the rest of the elements above that you need to push up one somehow. You need to keep track of which ones need pushing. How are you number one in the chat? You just came back. Fair enough. So here we are. You've chatted the most, yeah. I think you have at the start. Let's think. Maybe I should terminate the loop and start a new loop from that point. But I need to keep track of that index, which is fine. You can have a separate reallocate method and only call it when new size is more than capacity. Man, I'm not like, I don't get what you're trying to say, the difference between size and capacity. Oh, is that how it works original? The first person gets 75 XP. That's great. Didn't know that. So what's the difference between size and capacity? That's the weird bit. How many current elements? Well, the raw array can hold infinite elements. That's how I called out that Linux would lose top 1 to me some months ago. Oh. How the hell? This guy's got so much aura. He just said, and now I'm top 1 in the first message. He sent that. If you allocate a bit more, you have to allocate on any call. Okay, so I'll allocate. Realloc function, okay. And this one should be private, to be honest, right? We don't want anyone accessing this. Or do we? Is it okay if people access realloc? Void realloc. Private, okay, yeah, I thought so. So void realloc. It requires a capacity member. But how many current elements? Capacity is how many elements raw array. But I don't get that. How many elements a raw array can hold? How many can it hold? It can hold infinite. Or to complete the new Enfield update. Bro, I don't give one damn. I still don't know what your Enfield game is, man. Keep waffling on about Enfield. Bro, I don't know your hentai anime games. I don't know any of that, man. God damn it. How many elements you can fit in the allocated buffer? Well, that's just the same as the size. Can you give like a practical example? Like size is 2, capacity is something else. Because I don't get it the way you're explaining it. Size is not allowed to differ. Capacity is the amount of total space effect has. You should almost never care about the capacity. So why do I care about it? Capacity, the max possible maximum. Why don't you guys get in a code, then it'll be much easier. SS slow RL, do you want to get in a call? What is this? The point is for performance. Oh, performance. Dude, I don't want to pre-optimize myself. You don't have a mic, fair enough. Why is eBay getting promoted on Discord? Okay, I'm gonna forget about it. So I don't need Realec for now. Maybe. Let's try index number 2. I meant 1. Yeah, it works. Let's try 10. What happens? We're gonna blow up. Oh, nothing happens. Okay. It just doesn't give an error at all. What? What? Bro, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? Oh, it's because there's only 5 elements. Weird. Why am I so tired? I thought that this was the amount of elements in the array. That's just the value. That's the problem with magic numbers. I completely forgot what these numbers meant. Has Brody tried C99? No. No, I have not. I think I'm too young for that. That was in another generation. Yeah, that was like my grandparents' time or something. It's for like the boomers. I'm joking. What's this? You unsigned integer 16 wide string 256. What the hell? On timeline, literally. Create file W. This is some Windows API BS which I do not want to look at. I hate the Windows API. Why do some people consider C99 broken? Isn't it obvious? Legacy language. It's really good. Can I guess that you're maybe 30 years old? 40? Pseudocode is the best code. No, it's binary. Dr. Cheeseface. 22 just graduated. Okay. You're trying to be different to the rest of everyone. Nah, don't call him Unc. He's not Unc. He's near. Coda never needs to compile its best. Exactly. Binary. Wait, no. Are you talking about interpreted language? If you do, get out of here. I'm joking. What did you graduate in, Dr. Cheeseface? I hope you say software engineering, because everyone says computer science. It's really boring me. Does no one want to niche down? Fuck. Computer science, yeah. Everyone says computer science. No one wants to do like a niched down version, like cybersecurity, software engineering, AI, if you want to do that. Cybersecurity, yeah. AI if you want to earn big bucks. AI if you want to get your balls chopped off. Didn't graduate, but I'm in road. Oh, you're in road to graduate. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the insert operator. You're a prompt engineer major. Aura. So, I think at this point we'll break and make a new array. So, continue temp equals, we'll get I, and then we'll make another one for int I. I is less than. Hold up. I starts at continue temp. I is less than size. I don't know if I need to do a -1 this time because I've got an additional. Like I've added one. So I think I'll do a +1. So push forward. Okay, and we'll do. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I don't know how to do it. We can't have any hard-coded values. Is C++ your first language? No, I've been doing Python for about 4 years. And I've dipped my toes in everything else as well. Continue. I hate that expression. I gotta stop saying it. I'm just imagining myself dipping a toe into waters, making me want to jump out the window. We'll do temp at position. Continue. Oh. +1 equals continue val. Hold up, we're cooking. Wait. Hold up. That needs to be a 2 then. And then we'll just continue on like that. Temp I equals array I. And that's it. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Please. It got a new error. Run time check failure. The continued temp is being used without being instantiated. But I used it. I used it here. I used it. How on earth did you get to line 84 before running this entire for loop and then reaching this line where you actually initialize continue temp? And also what? Bro, I initialized it here. Man, what? On the Ross Clark debugger? Nah, mate. Yeah, be a Rasta. Yeah, ban weed. You know what? Let's try this. Don't piss me off. I just instantiated it. What? Where did you get a 0 from? I'll show you a real Rasta clout. 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. Wagwan, my brethren. How you been? Compilers, I like women. Nah, we don't do them discrimination things, you know. We be them equal territorial community, you know. You look like you got weed? Me ban weed. Me ban them fine herb. Pan the daily. Me actually run out me last herb. What can you see? 3-5. 30 quid. 30 quid, man. Some bomber ass clad. High prices. These inflation prices. 350. In fact, me gonna play me favorite music. This no longer programming stream. This a Rasta stream. Rasta man stream. Okay. Let us continue. My accent's awful. Ignore it. Wait. So, buffer overrun while writing stems. It's happening again. It's happening again. Oh, if I just do that. Bro, this guy's obsessed with weed. Why in the world I'm born in a generation where a prompt engineer has the right to be called an engineer? They're not called engineers. They're not engineers, man. It's fake. With that shit cam you got, it looks like your room's filled with smoke. Well, it might be. You don't know what's going on to the right of me. There might be a whole crack gang just taking massive hits. So I clean this. You know what? I'm gonna leave it like that. Oh wait, it fixed itself. Hold up. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we're accessing the 0th index. Why? Oh wait. If I do 5, it might fix itself. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Oh wait, 0 index. It's 4. Bro, what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, we do a +1 because we're inserting. Guys, I'm actually waffling so hard. Please don't listen to what I said. What am I doing now? I'm creating vector from scratch. Thanks for subscribing, Moffy. There truly are too many doctors and engineers walking around. Puff puff allocate. Don't make me roll up a spliff right now. Okay, I'm gonna do +1. That might be what's going on. That might be the problem. What am I doing now? Okay, specifically, I'm making the insert function for the vector that I'm creating. Monkey Man, what's up? Yo, there's so many people coming in right as I'm about to end the stream. I can't end the stream if people are coming in. That's just sad. Monkey Man, I love the first word in your name. Monkey. It's just such a goated word. Long-term viewers know monkey is my main word. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe we should get married. Maybe it's a sign we need to have kids. Like tonight. Oh shit. Oh shit, this guy's freaky. What the hell? Yo, how old are you? How old are you? Oh damn, it's sending love hearts. Whoa, hold up. Okay, you're 18, okay, good. He gets everything but me, and Mika can't even get. No, because you guys are too desperate. You guys are too desperate. Can't be desperate, man. You can match the freaks. No one can match my freak. Can we actually like do some coding? Acting like girls interact with you. Original, I don't know if that was indicated to me or someone else. On a real note, seeing C++ made me want to end myself. Just give me PTSD. What, are you like a masochist or something? You like pain? Is that why you clicked on this stream? You want to torture yourself or something? Bro, who's spamming the love hearts? Your girlfriend goes to a different school. Bro's girlfriend goes to primary school, man. Bro, your girlfriend goes to elementary. You can't talk. The hell? What a flex. 18 soon, you're trying to learn Python. Hello, John. I've been doing Python for about 4 years. I've had enough of Python. Yeah, lock in, bro, lock in. Okay, let me run this one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we are replacing the first index for some reason. Let's see why. I want to replace 0, 1, 2. I want to replace the third element in the array with number 9. We're creating a vector that will of size 5 that will initialize everything to 1. Keep going, bro. Thank you. I will. Just give up. Nah, bro. Don't give up. Listen to that guy. Can you just mem move 2 parts to the new array and set the new value you want? Yo, I don't even know what that means. Mem move. Hello, Ben. Okay, this time it didn't replace the first element in the array to 0. Yo, Rex, what's up? Bro, there's like 18 people coming in right now. You know, my plan was originally to end the stream at 8 p.m. It's 8 p.m. now, but I can't. If some people join. Are you using YouTube to learn? I'm using... You want to know what I'm using to learn? I'll show you what I'm using to learn. This is what I'm using to learn. My friend. Unk methods. Meow. Anyway, we got Dixalius. Dixalius, welcome. Okay. Dixalius, you just brought his femboy out. You're gonna turn all my mods to femboys. I think they all are femboys. Hold up, let me check. Let me check. This guy's a femboy. Oh, wait, the chat's covering it up. One sec. Okay. Alright, look. This guy's a femboy. This guy's a femboy. No. And this guy. This guy's my biggest femboy. He's my biggest femboy. Like, what on earth is going on? Am I attracting all the femboys? Why? Why me? Is your objective to get a software engineering job, or you just doing it for fun? Both, potentially. You seen that book? You seen that book cover in the drum and bass YouTube mix? Excuse me? Yo, can you send that mix to me, bro? Send that mix. You in uni? I'm gonna start uni this September, bro. You can move the first part of the index and the part after and leave a gap for the value to insert. Dude, I don't know what you're saying. I don't. You quit using Linux? No, I haven't. I have WSL, but I have Arch Linux on a separate SSD on this computer. Can I even see it? No, I can't. It's hidden away in a partition. Sorry, not partition, just different SSD. And it's not showing here. But that Arch Linux, that Arch Linux drive is completely cooked. It's very corrupted. I have no clue why. I installed an update once, 4 months ago. It's been broken ever since. Me don't know what I want. Yeah, get me. Okay, this guy just sent a drum and bass mix. I hope I'm not gonna get rickrolled. If I'm getting rickrolled, you're getting banned. You're getting banned right now. If I'm getting rickrolled, I swear down. Oh wait, Orion, yeah. I know this guy. I used to play this guy's music in my streams really at the start of my streaming journey. But I kept on getting copyrighted. Look, you see it's red. I did watch his stuff. But yeah. Me and this guy. But nah, he just copyrights all my streams, so I can't. He's got really good music, but I can't do anything with it. You guys make sure to join the Discord. Otherwise it's kind of sad. Like, what's the point of the Discord if you're not going to join? Right, actually, I'm going to put a poll up. Let's see. Wait. Let's see how many people actually like reggae. This probably need an Excalibur lecture on Memove. I don't know what Memove is. Let me just go right now. Hold on, guys, one sec. Hi, I'm Dick Cheeseface in the chat. Welcome. You might be dyslexic, you can't spell for shit. You're spelling well. You might go gym, but I can't, it's too late for that. I might just work on my project. Academic lock-in. Bro, I think it's kind of late. Like, hasn't the school year just ended? The school year just kind of ended already. I don't know how you're going to lock in already. Memove lets you move a specified amount of memory. From a source to the destination. Okay, let's check this one out. Memove. So it returns null pointer. I've never used a null pointer before, so I've got no clue that even is. What is null pointer? What is the point of null pointer? More like it. Does not point to anything. Deliberate placeholder indicating that the pointer does not point to any valid memory address. School never ends. School never ends if you're doing it right. That's so facts. It's a typeless reference to memory. Yeah, but what do you actually do with it? Do you stream every day? I haven't streamed in 3 weeks. I'd like to stream every day. It just depends on if I can. I would love to stream every day from 6 PM English time. That would be the plan, yeah. Obviously, we're not all in control of our lives fully. So sometimes it's not possible. You're asking about null pointer, not void pointer. Oh, thank you. Void pointer. Kind of hard to explain over text. It just lets you not specify that. Oh, really? You need to get on the grind and stream every day to hit the big leagues. I'm gonna hit you in a minute, buddy. Bloody moderator. I've built a study tool for YouTube studying. Can you please check it out? Okay, well, where are you sending it? If you send it in the Discord, I'll check it out. Because YouTube doesn't allow for sending links. A void pointer can be converted into any other type. That's really good. So you can turn a void pointer into an int pointer. It can store the address of any type. Wow, that's actually really good. That's really good. Can point to objects of any data type. Dude, why don't we just do that in general? Why don't we just always use a void pointer? That sounds really cool. Let's see. Generic pointer is a special type pointer that can be pointed to any object. That's sick. Type safety is kind of goated. You know what else is goated? A void pointer. Because you can point to anything, blood. That's more pointed than your type safety. Templated vector class with void pointer. Hold up. Hold on, that's actually smart. You get the type safety of a template and a void pointer. Yo, that might actually be the way. For memmove, if you're moving a number of ints, you can cast the void memmove return to an int. You drop your Discord stream link. Yo, isn't it? Oh, it's yellow, damn it. Okay, that's my bad. The Discord link is always above my head, but I guess you couldn't see it. That's my bad, because the color. It's also in the description down below. There's 2 places. I need to change the color though. Can I add a background? Hold up. Did that help at all? No, it didn't. Oh, that's goated. Oh, hold up. I don't know which looks better. I'll keep it like this. That looks sick. I just need the background color. Okay, can you see the Discord link now? Dude, this Discord text actually, it looks like you're in psychedelics, blood. Literally trippy. Yo, Mask Ninja Squared, what's good? I remember you. Your blue profile picture is very memorable. How you been, Mask Ninja? Maybe you should create a program in general over the normal general chat, because I feel bad for Afnan and Yusuf's important things getting overshadowed by slop. Bro, how is that my fault? What? Nah, original, I would never. Uh-oh. Look, you're talking about like a specialized C++ chat. There literally is one here. If you click on C++, it's literally here. You can create a post and talk about anything you like. People have already done that before. This general chat is for anyone waffling. And this C++ chat, this is where you go to actually like speak to nerds, like proper nerds. Like, I don't even know what's going on here. Like, what on earth is this? Like, there's some people here that are very intelligent. So, if you're one of them people, click on this C++ chat, not general. Whoa. I've got to change this music. You guys won't like it. No one here likes drum and bass, apart from me and SS Low RL. Yeah, I haven't streamed in like 3 weeks. It's been a long time. Because I came from Romania to England. So I just, I had to like get used to England again. You started streaming your C99 sessions, but it's scuffed. Let's see. Also, someone said that they wanted like us to rate their learning project. Where did you put that? Whoever you are. Yo, this is some goated stuff. Yo. Bro, I can't read anything that's going on here. Okay, this is Rust. L Rust. L Rust. What is this thumbnail? I'm getting off this page. You just click the thumbs up. Thank you. General programming. Well, they should use it. I think they don't use it just because they don't know about it. I mean, I'm using it consistently. I even updated it today to add in this book. Because I forgot to do it earlier. Anyways. Okay, let's see. So we can use memmove to convert a void pointer to an integer pointer. Thank you, Wes, for following. Do you have any resources for learning C? No, but I have resources for learning C++. Over there. Memmove moves memory. The void pointer it returns is the pointer to where you moved it. Bro, I'm confused again. You just confused my ass one more time. It's like every new sentence you say, I start to understand the sentence you said 2 sentences ago. And then you say another sentence, and then I potentially understand the sentence again you said 2 sentences ago. But then I don't understand the sentence you said now. You get what I'm saying? The referencing of void pointer is illegal. You guys trying to get me going to jail? What? Instead, the void pointer must first be cast to another pointer type before the difference. Illegal. Static cast. So we got static cast for the void pointer. If we can do static cast, what's the point of memmove? Oh, because it moves the memory. Okay. Performs the following operation. Implicitly creates objects at dest. Copies count characters as if. Type. Oh, let me drink some water. I'm talking too much.
I know you love when I'm looking. Staring at you. You got what I need. Girl, me love how your style the place. Me love how you wind your waist. Up and down like a yo-yo. Me feel set me in love with a go-go. Girl, show me the go-go wine, girl. Show me the go-go wine, girl. Mind your waist in a time.
If you want to explain the VC, yes please. Yes please. Join, I'm in voice 1. If you want to join it. Explain it. Should you learn C++ first? Yeah, learn C++ first. Don't listen to what people are saying. Just learn it. It's fine. Is it your hobby? Any advice for me? Wait, hold on. Yo, Mr. B, what's goody?
I am chilling. All right. How do I explain this? All right, pull up Excalibur on stream.
What?
You know what Excalibur is? It's like you can draw stuff.
No, I don't know what that one is.
All right, fuck it. All right, I will draw it out. I will draw it via text. Hold on. So this is your memory. Fuck. Okay. Let's say each one of these x's is a byte, right? See that?
Wait, no, I don't see anything.
No, it's on general.
Oh, general. Okay. Okay. Go on.
Okay, so that's your array, right? That you already have, and then you create
Yeah.
this other array that's empty.
Okay.
It looks like this. Okay, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's say your source looks like this. Fucking hell. It looks like this, and you see that pointer? That pointer is your source pointer, right? In that memove
Yeah.
thing,
Yeah.
that's source. And let's say in your destination, you put the destination pointer as something like this, right? So when you do memove a pointer to that, and then destination is a pointer to where you're putting it in.
But the
and you
index is at the
specify-
same place.
Sorry?
Isn't the index at the same place?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to move a certain amount of bytes from the source to the destination.
Certain amount of bytes from the source to the destination. Okay.
Yeah, so let's say it's a bunch of unsigned chars. Unsigned chars are just 1 byte long. So if you put in that size t counter thing, 3, it'll move 3 of those x's down into that new thing. So it's really good for inserts because you can just copy up until where the insert value is, and then insert your value, and then copy the rest of it.
Okay. That's
Fuck,
starting to make
did I
sense.
go too fast?
It made more sense than last time,
Okay. Oh shit, everyone's joining.
but I don't understand how to put it in practically.
Oh, okay.
Could you
all
help?
right. So do you know how to get a pointer to the start of the array?
It's not just a pointer to start the array. You just do like subscript operator 0
Uh,
and then return a reference or
Yes.
something.
reference to that. Yeah.
Yeah, reference.
Actually, if you just screen share this, can you screen share?
Yeah, I can screen share.
I won't lie. I don't know if this is the correct C++ way. I assume C++ people fucking hate this, but we'll see. Explaining memove a question from stream.
Oh, 5 FPS. Okay. Sick.
All right, pull up the editor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna assume this is the same syntax as C99, but okay. So actually, you already have a pointer to the start of the array. Do you see temp?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Yeah, that's a pointer to the start of the array.
Yeah.
Actually, so let's say, can you just for testing? Let's just do. So you have this previous. Where's your old array that you're moving stuff from?
The old array is just array.
Where is it?
That's
Okay.
that's the
All
member
right.
array.
So let's just do a test, right? Let's try and move everything in array to temp, right? You want to try that just at the start of the function, just to test it?
So move everything from array to temp.
Yeah. Do it under, line 69 or something. Yeah. So my move. Hell yeah. So you take a destination, which will be temp. You see how void is useful now. You don't have to specify that it's an int, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So temp, and then you're getting it from source, which is array. And then the size. So what's in the array?
The normal array is the normal functional array. Temp is the new array plus 1.
It's a bunch of ints. So what you need to do is do size of int times size. So that gives you the amount of bytes. Yeah. And then semicolon, yeah. And then do you have a way to print this out? Do you have a thing to print it? Yeah. What is this magical syntax? What the fuck? Delta runes, bro. All right. Rana.
Wait. Do you speak a foreign language?
No, just English.
Oh, right. I thought you were
Actually-
speaking German.
Do you know how to use the debugger? Because when you're running the debugger, it's super easy to see what's happening.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Put a breakpoint and 66, and then yeah, that's correct. 66 and 69. Yeah. So you just run it. All right. So peek into what temp is and what array is. I can't see that. That's fucking tiny. I assume it's empty, right? It's a bunch
I
of
can't see it
zeros.
either, to be honest.
Bruh. Sorry. Dereference it. Can you fucking?
I don't know how
what
to
the
zoom
hell?
in. This doesn't zoom in. I don't know how to do that.
Okay, whatever. Okay, just okay, step. Can you do step?
Yeah, I think it's this one.
There we go. So I can't even see it.
Is temp is storing an address and then a garbage value int.
Okay. And then after the move, if you go next. Bang. Can you see what's in
Okay.
temp?
It says 1, which is the value that is inside array.
It's only size 1. I can't see it.
I don't. Well, temp says 1. I don't know what it's referring to. It just says int 1.
Int 1.
Yeah, that's
Is that the first element in array?
yeah. Because I assigned all of the elements to 1.
Oh, okay. Right, okay. Cool. So you see how it was copied over?
Yeah.
Okay, so now imagine for your insert thing, you copy over everything up until where you want to insert the memory, insert your new value, right? And then right after it, you put in your new value, and then you copy everything after that, back after your inserted new value. See how you can do it in like 2 lines instead of just looping through?
Yeah. Yeah, theoretically.
Yes. You can do this, I believe.
It is printed out that's this is a void pointer then, yeah.
Just a pointer, yeah. So you want to try it now? Copy the first part up until your index. So index value, yeah.
So no, I don't get it. I don't know what to do. Like,
Oh fuck. Okay.
Lock in, bro. Lock in.
Is there a way to fucking draw this? No. Okay. So if you just do memmove, temp array, and then size of int times the index.
So that again, memmove array.
Temp array. So we're moving into temp, right? Temp array. Size of int, yeah, times index. So like, let's say the index is 3. We want to move the 3 ints that's before it, right? So you just do size of int times index.
Yeah, the index is continue temp. I should have
What
named
the
it
hell?
differently.
Bro, what?
Wait, I need to rename that differently. Wait.
No. The parameters of the function on top. If you scroll up. Yeah, index. That's where you want to put it, right? The new value.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just put index in there.
Index. Oh, okay. I put in the index of the loop. Oh, you said we don't need the loop anymore, right? We can delete that.
Literally just straight up now. I don't know what this is.
Okay, let me just comment this out.
All right, so now we want to put whatever value you want. So you just do temp subscript into it with the index, and then you put your value. So index, and then equals value, right?
Yeah.
All right, and then we want to copy the rest of it now. So memmove, temp subscript into index plus 1. So temp index plus 1, and then you give the reference. Index plus 1, and then go back and put the reference in front of temp because it needs a pointer, right? And we also want to take the rest of the array. So Array, yes. And then the pointer. And then we want to get until the end of the array. So
Which
I assume
is-
that's size minus index. There might be some off by one errors. You'd have to check. I don't know.
Size. Well, size is 5. We're gonna be
Oh yeah, how
inserting
long
to
is the old array?
the old array is 5 long.
Okay.
So
and then
actually,
you increment
6,
it, right?
is it?
Oh, okay. So
don't know.
because at the top of the function you do size plus plus, right?
Yeah,
So what's gonna happen is you're gonna read slightly out of bounds, right?
yeah.
Which is not good. So size minus 1, I guess. No, not there in the mem move. Yeah.
Here?
No. In the mem move.
Size minus.
Yeah. -1. I'm not sure how C++ works. Is that size like you get that everywhere for this vector?
This is it's a size is a member variable of the vector class.
Okay, so we don't want to change it, right? We want to keep it as that.
Well, we
So we wanna
changed
do-
it here to increase the capacity by 1 to store the new int value.
Right. Okay. So in the bottom mem move, just do size -1 then. So don't actually change the value. Right. Size -1. No. Like line 73. You just do size -1. Yeah.
All right.
Bang. Now, if I haven't made any mistakes, that should work. It crashed. Let's see.
Okay.
What happened?
So let's run this. So we create an integer. No, we create a vector of 5, and they're all set to 1, and then we're inserting at index 2, which is 3, 0, 1, 2. The
Yeah.
value 9, which is correct. That's correct. And then we put 1 for the rest of them. So that one's correct, but these two should be 1.
Okay.
But then,
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. So then something's wrong with copying the rest of it. So let's go back. Array index. This one. Blah, blah, blah. Size -1. Sorry, size minus index.
size
We
minus
want to
index.
move. We only want to move the last 3, right?
Index would be 2. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, it might be off by 1 though.
Yeah. Wow.
Wait,
Same thing.
no. I think that's the old one. Oh no, it's the same thing.
Wow.
No.
All right. Let's step through the debugger then. All right. Okay.
That's not good.
Where are we? Okay, so we're on the first thing. Let's skip to 71.
Oh, the options just went away.
Oh,
Wait, I'll figure this out. Right. Anyways.
all right. Let's step until 71 and see if we copied the first part correctly.
That's better. So step and
Okay, so
Step into
let's. God. Can you open? Okay, are you able to write values into? Okay, can you click locals?
where's that?
Locals, bottom. Bottom left, yeah, locals. If this index, can you expand temp?
Sorry?
Drop down for temp, open that one.
It's 1.
Okay. Can you add a thing that's just like temp square bracket 2 or something?
I can change that to 2.
No. Like I want to add a new watch variable.
A
How do you
watch.
do that
Yeah,
in
we
this?
can do
A
that.
what? Like a yeah.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I just gotta find a button. I don't remember. This is a new version of VS.
Oh shit.
Watch. So the watch here. So I gotta.
Yeah, there you go. So do temp index. Temp square index. Yeah. So now right now it's junk. So now step through. Step
Okay.
once.
9.
Should see it update. Correct. So now do temp index +1 just to see what's in there. Okay, junk variable. Now let's look at array index. 1, right? And let's see. Can you just put it in a different line? Index. See what index is. It is, what is it? Number 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to copy 0, 1, 2, and we're passing in index 2, right? 0, 1, 2.
Yeah.
That thing pointer. Okay, and then can you put in another line size? What is size? Okay, size minus index is 4, which is wrong, right?
Size is 6.
Sorry. Size, yeah. 6 minus 4 is, sorry, 6 minus 2 is 4. You only need to copy 3, right? Or 2, how many? 0, 1, 2.
The third element, and put 9 there. Got to step through. Oh, this is the correct one. Yes, 2. Yeah.
Yes. So what's happening is, you go back to the implementation. Scroll down. Or wherever it is. Yeah. Okay, so when we do size minus index, 6 minus 2, we get 4. So we're copying 4 bytes over. So size of,
Yeah.
completely forgot about that. Size of int times that.
So 4 times 8.
Minus 1 because you incremented size earlier. So wait, fuck, let me type it out. It's really hard to explain without typing. Size times. There we go. So that will give you 3 or whatever.
I'll give the index 3.
We're specifying how many of those ints we want to move, right? So we only want to copy the last few after the index.
Yeah, the last 3. Yeah.
Yeah. So size minus index, and then we're to do -1 because you incremented incremented size at the very beginning. Yeah.
Well, so +1.
Also, wait, check the chat, the voice chat. You need to use all size. Yeah. It got incremented. Afner has been.
You need to use the old size.
Yeah, because you increment it at the top. Yeah.
So -1 then.
Yeah. Size of int times size -1 minus index. You want to put brackets around size -1 minus index. And then size of times. Yeah.
Wait, minus index.
In this thing, and then here we go. Size.
Wait, no.
There you go.
Size of int. Wait, no, because you were doing minus.
Yeah.
This is times. This is times index. This one's minus index. Size of int.
So when you get size of int, you get how many bytes is in the int, and then you times it by how many you want to move. So we want to move size minus 1 minus index, right? Do you have
yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, okay.
Size minus 1 minus so like that.
Yeah, so we want to multiply all of that by the size of an int. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, see if that works.
Oh wait, this is still up.
Ta-da!
It did work.
But did you understand it though? Did you understand it?
Yeah, bro.
You want to go through it line by line, just in case? Because I remember when I first learned pointers, this shit was so disgusting annoying.
The mem move is just crazy. I've never heard of that concept before. It does work perfectly. Thank you. That's great. Yeah, let's go line by line then.
So I recommend, instead of incrementing size at the top, just have something like old size and new size, because otherwise you get this -1 thing and it's very annoying. So just do old size equals size, and then you do size plus plus. Yeah, there we go. Now instead of size -1 in that older one, you just do old size minus index.
Yeah.
Here we go. How should I say? Also, if you're using, I don't know if this is if you can do this in C++, but usually sizes, there's literally a size type called size_t. If there's any C++ people,
Yeah, there is.
I don't know if you're meant to use that. Yeah, you use that because it is unsigned. So if you go negative, you will see that you have a gigantic number and there's something wrong with your program. But if you use a int, it will like silently fail.
Okay. So size t for which one?
Anything with size. So the length of your array. So you also want to use it for your index, usually. But check what C++ people do though, because it's different. It might be different.
Yeah, mostly we use unsigned data type for randomness. But I never know that we use for any other purpose, because int is easy to go with.
I see it defined as it's only in C. Is size t only in C?
No, it's in C++ as well.
Oh, is it just not used? Oh, no, it's also in C. Oh, then
we do use it. Yeah, it's common.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever. Do whatever. You can use fucking char if you want. Fuck it.
I just wanted to make it as simple as possible. I didn't even want to use any templates for the vector kernel. I just wanted to make it just int. That's it for now.
All right. I hope you learned something. I'm off.
I did.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you later, man. Bye-bye.
Thank you, brother.
Did you learn something as well, Ashria?
It's good to see that the quite of learning is nice to see that.
Yeah. All right.
I hope this live will be available in YouTube, right?
This what?
Yeah. This recorded live can be available in YouTube.
Yeah, this live is it's gonna be on the channel. If you go on the Code Game YouTube channel, it's gonna be in the live section. It's gonna be the latest one there. You can access it after the stream ends as well. Yeah.
Okay. Good. That where you learn about that vector thing, right? I will revisit it. It's quite a good learning for me also.
All right. Cool.
Thank you, brother. Have a good night.
You too, man. Yeah, size T unsigned int 64. What's that? 8 bytes. Hold up. Hold up. I swear int was 4 bytes. No. What's going on, bro? It says here it's 8 bytes. But Microsoft saying it's 4 bytes. And also Coding Jesus says it's 4 bytes. I'm just gonna leave that for another time. That's a bit too much, buddy. Size T is big, yeah. You know what else is big? I came back and the first thing I hear is, I swear int was 4 bytes. It is. It is, man. Welcome, everyone. How many new people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7! Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. What the hell was that? Depends on the machine. Yeah. Well, I'm expecting my... Why am I still recording? My machine, I was expecting to be 4 bytes. Okay. Right, I'm gonna end the stream there. Because I was supposed to end the stream 1 hour ago. My stream's supposed to be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. But, yeah. I wanted to stream longer in case it would be more entertaining. And it was. So, thank you everyone for coming. Turing complete stream. No. In your dreams, buddy. In your dreams. Alright, thank you everyone for coming. I appreciate you all. As I said, I do my plan originally is to stream every single day, apart from Saturday, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. English time, UK time. You've convinced one soul in general to play it. Bro, what kind of mod are you? You're supposed to encourage people to program. No, I might have to check out. No! We've lost another soldier to gaming. Okay, enough with the fanboy stuff, man. God damn it. We're just coding in binary. But yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah? See you tomorrow. At 6 p.m. UK time. I'll do my best to make it. So, peace. Auto stop. Bro, where's the stop button?